How to turn off the WhatsApp voice speed. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated and latest version of the WhatsApp application on your device. After that, just tap on the WhatsApp application and go to the profile that you want to off the WhatsApp voice speed for. So as you can see, this there's an audio over here and it has the speed of 1.5x. Okay, so if you want to turn off, what you have to do is just tap on and play this voice message. Now right now it is in the 1.5x speed. Now if you want to change the speed, what you can do is just tap on the speed and play the sound. So tap on the speed as well and you'll be able to change the different speed over here from 1x to 1.5 to 2x. But unfortunately, there's no option of turning off the WhatsApp voice speed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.